Okay, we've got to clear each hurdle, which means we're going to be naming the types of angles that are there. So we're going to be talking about right angles, which are 90 degrees, acute, which are less than 90 degrees, obtuse, which are more than 90 degrees, and straight, which is a straight line, or 180 degrees. And so I notice again that in this worksheet, the person is trying to get us to assume that that's 90 degrees. That is not allowed. You cannot assume anything. And so I'm going to provide you with the square there in the corner to tell you that that is, in fact, 90 degrees, not 91, not 89, but it is exactly 90. And so for number one, we have an angle that is obviously less than 90, so it is acute. We have a straight line, so that is a straight angle. That angle number three is obviously larger than 90 degrees, and so it is obtuse. And then number four is exactly 90 degrees, so it is a right angle. So a straight angle is a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees. An angle measure of 110 is more than 90, so that would be an obtuse angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90, so an example of that would be 45 degrees. Angle that measures 125 is larger than 90, so obtuse. Each corner of a paper is a right angle. If a straight angle were bisected or divided into two equal halves, you would have two blank angles. And so I'm going to demonstrate that here. Here we have a straight angle, and I'm going to bisect it with another straight angle. And in the instance that that happens, we're cutting that 180 degrees in half. So every one of these corners that would be formed here would be half of 180 or 90, making them all right angles. If you added 50 degrees to a 20 degree angle, you would have 70 degrees, which would be acute because that is less than 90. And the corners of this triangle are what kind of angle? They all look to be less than 90. They are acute. They are also congruent. And so when you see this arc here, there's just one arc. There's just one arc here, and there's just one arc here. That means that those angles are congruent. Similarly, if I have a different triangle where only this angle and this angle are congruent, we could use multiple arcs to say that those angles are a pair that match.